Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and stopping by for the first time, welcome. Please come in, have your seat and enjoy the ride. My name is JB of Jonaks Beauty. I'm a makeup artist in real life and on YouTube, and I am based in Estonia. This video was inspired by Dima Ume. If you guys don't know who Dima Ume is, she is a Nigerian YouTuber and she's one of my favorite YouTubers. If you don't know, it means that you haven't seen my get to know me video. Come on. Okay, I'll do you one better. Click on this link. It will take you directly to that video where you get to know some things about me. Alright, so back then when I started watching her YouTube, one of the videos I loved watching was Ankara inspired makeup tutorials, and I remember that I did recreate some of those looks back then, and I'm just happy right now to be able to incorporate this into my own YouTube channel years later as well. So Dima Ume, thank you so much for being an inspiration. I love you. So today's makeup will be inspired by this Ankara material. So I'm going to be picking my colors from this Ankara, and I will try as much as possible to do a wearable look. Hopefully things don't get out of hand, but yeah, so I'm going to be cleansing my face with the micellar cleansing water. This will ensure that my face is cleansed and clean before I apply makeup on it. You want to thoroughly clean your face, but gently clean it so that you can get into the inner corners and every other part that needs to be cleansed, basically. And I'm going to follow that up with the Mario Badescu. You guys know that this is my holy grail, the Mario Badescu facial spray, and I'm just going to spritz that on my face. Using my hand fan, I'm going to quickly blow dry my face and then go on with the makeup. Alright, so now that my brows are drawn, I'm going to move straight into the eye makeup, and starting with my P. Louise base shade 5. I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow base today. I am also ensuring to blend it out as I am applying. Going in with this purple shade, I'll be using that to start the eye look. I'm dipping my brush into it and blending it out. So I'm just gently blending in that purple shade into my crease. Now I'm going in with this purple in my EA Beauty Artist palette. I'm applying that purple shade on the one I applied previously. Now I'm going to use the pink shade in this same palette called Punch and Orchid to blend out the purple that I just applied. You want to take just a little, tap what is left out, and blend out the outer corners of the color you initially applied. Keep blending till what? You can blend no more. So just keep blending, guys. Now I'm going in with this fluffy blending brush to just blend out the outer corners of that pink that I used to blend out the purple, so that there are no harsh lines. Now, having done that, I'm going to reapply my base just to bring out the shape of my lid. Using my Eye Magic eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with this green shade here, this shimmery green shade here. I'm going to apply that on my lid like so. I don't want it to be a defined crease, so I'm trying to blend the green and the purple in bits. Yeah, something like this. So I'm going in with the purple that I used earlier, the purple color, and just deepening the outer corners of the eyes. Now this is what we have for the eyes. So I'm going to go off camera right now to do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is what we have. I have done both eyes now, and this is what we have. So now I'm going to go on to draw my eyeliner and fix on my eyelashes. Going in with my Zara gel liner in Jazz, I'm going to use that to line my eyes. Oh, by the way guys, this is the Zaron mascara. This is the Zaron lengthening mascara. This mascara is the truth. I really like it. So quickly, I'll be using my Primark Glow primer to prime my eyes. It is a glow primer, so it has a bit of glow to it, which I actually do like. Moving straight into foundation, I'll be using the Chestnut, the Primark foundation that I got, the Chestnut in 16 and the Hazelnut in 15. I'm going to be mixing this together to get my shade. You also want to ensure that there's no cast between your neck and your face. So I'm not applying any product, but I'm just blending this out. With all that blended in, I'm going in with a mix of my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fawn and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha. And I'm just going to gently apply that. Blending that in gently. I'll be using my Sacha Buttercup powder to set the part that I applied my concealer on, and I'll be using this same blending sponge, but the other side that does not have product on it. I'm just going to apply some on my hand and then tap out a lot of it, and then just go in with the powder. Going in with my face powder, my MAC Studio Fix Plus in the shade NW45. I'll be using that to set the remaining part of my face. Now I'm taking it and just tapping a lot out, and you want to do it in this motion. To contour, I'll be using my Maybelline Cacao powder, and I'll be going in circular motion to contour my face. Going in with that purple shade that I used initially. I'm going to replicate what I have on my crease, down my waterline. In order to incorporate this into the look, I'll be applying the orange shade in my eye magic palette, the inner corners of my eye. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my Primark Glow Getter highlighter palette, and I'll be going in with the 2 dark shades in this palette. This highlighter is so pigmented. See, I already overdid this one, so a little goes a long way. So for lips, I'll be using this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Visionary. So as you guys saw, I used my Maybelline lipstick at first and I didn't really like what it looked like, so I went in with my Forever 52 lip stain in the shade Grape to, you know, cover it up a bit, and then I used a gloss on it. So what do you guys think? This is the look that we finally came up with. I'm going to use my setting spray. This is the MAC Studio Fix Plus. I'm going to use that, spray my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I also went ahead to tie this head scarf on my head. And I think it actually looks cute on me. What do you guys think? Well, I like it. And yeah, so if you'll be requesting this look, please don't forget to tag me. My social media handles are the same across board. It's Jonaks Beauty. It's somewhere on the screen. Please don't forget to also leave your comments in the comment section below. You know our comment section are always popping, right? So please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below, and please give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't subscribed, no judgment here, please hit the subscribe button and join this amazing family. Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me as always. You know I love and appreciate you. And until next time guys, Jesus loves you. Bye.